Ready to shake things up at your next party or team building event? Dive into Bartending 101, the ultimate hands-on experience. I'm Ariana, the Quality Assurance Manager for Twist of Lime, your premier event bartending service. And today, I'd like to introduce Bartending 101. Bartending 101 is an interactive and informative experience where seasoned professional bartenders walk you and your guests through crafting delicious cocktails. This is the perfect addition for a night in with family and friends or your next team building event. Once you've inquired on our website and secured the service, you'll have the opportunity to select your choice of cocktails or non-alcoholic mocktails or instruction. Please note, no alcohol is included with the service. However, we will provide a comprehensive material list complete with suggested quantities and label recommendations. We'll bring all the necessary equipment, materials, bar tools, and non-alcoholic ingredients to set up a complete bartending station for each of your guests, allowing them to craft their own cocktails. So what are you waiting for? Inquire today and create some long-lasting memories with Bartending 101.